Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to protect cells in Google Sheets with password. Let's begin. There's no direct option in Google Sheets to protect cells with a password. However, you can use the protect range or sheets feature to prevent others from editing specific cells or range. Here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, select full table, right click on your mouse and select drop down menu, more cells action, select protect data range or directly go to data tab, protect sheet and range. Select sheet, expect certain cells. Example, I selected only cells. Okay, then set permissions, wait for a second, range editing permissions. Okay, show a warning when editing this range. Restrict who can edit this range. Click here and only you customs or copy permissions from other range. Example, I use customs, then add enter names or email address. Example, then click done. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.